Hi, I'm Michelle from Cup of Zest, and today I'm celebrating Galentine's Day with my friend Andrea. I'm making us my orange pomegranate sparkling cocktail. Galentine's Day is about celebrating all of the amazing friendships that you have with the lovely ladies in your life. It's the perfect day to show them how much you love them. Andrea.
Hi! Ooh, so good to see you, Michelle.
Good to see you. Love your dress.
Love your dress.
So Andrea works at one of my favorite retro shops in Burbank, California. It's Audrey K Boutique. Now, Andrea, while I make our Galentine's Day cocktail, will you tell all of our friends what Audrey K Boutique is about?
Yeah, my pleasure. At Audrey K, we master in cuteness. Started in 2006 by the one and only Audrey, we are known for our women's fashions. On trend, but never out of style. We also specialize in a lot of handmade accessories to complete any of our looks. But most of all, we love our sense of humor. Our gift selection has the snark and uniqueness that I think both Audrey and I embrace in our personal lives. Every day, we open our doors and welcome you to our home.
You are so right. Every time I've gone into Audrey K Boutique, there's such an amazing environment, and it's so lovely.
Yay.
I really feel like I'm shopping with some of my best friends when I'm there.
Oh, we'd love to hear that.
Yay.
And Michelle, this looks amazing.
Thank you.
The best part, the bubbles.
We're just gonna put these bubbles right on top.
Put the bubbles in. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here's your orange pomegranate sparkling cocktail.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers to Galentine's Day.
Yay. Oh man.
My God, it's so good.
Thank you.
Oh, I love it.
All right, everyone. Happy Galentine's Day, and make sure to check out Audrey K Boutique.
Where every day is Galentine's Day. No, seriously, I love this drink.